What's up guys, it's Nash here and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hack your Android games on your phone using same old Lucky Patcher. But today is going to be different. We're going to be using, a phone which hasn't been rooted yet. So make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to show appreciation because I try to post videos like this every day. So make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video without saying much. So the first thing you guys want to do as usual is go to the link in the description below. Now once you go to the link there, all you have to do is download this app called Lucky Patcher. Now once you download this app called Lucky Patcher, the next thing you have to do next is open up the app. You're gonna get this page. Then what you have to do is just look for the game you want to hack. Now I'm gonna be choosing this football manager stuff. So once you click on it like this, the next thing you're gonna do is click on menu of patches, then click on the only option, create modified APK file. Now once you click on that, you have to click on the fourth option, which is APK rebuild for in-app and stuff. Click on that one, then leave the settings like this. Just click on rebuild the app. Now what you're doing by rebuilding this app is you're gonna be we're gonna be taking off the original APK, which is the one you downloaded without hack or anything before, and we're gonna be creating a modified option, which is the hacked version. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what to do next once this loads up. So as you guys can see on the screen, it just finished loading up. So what you have to do next is click on go to file, as you can see. Then once you click on go to file, I suggest you use uninstall and install. Now once you click on uninstall and install, it's going to tell you that it wants to delete the file. Now don't be scared. All you have to do is accept it to delete, because it's going to take off the original version which is not hacked. It's going to take that off for you, and then just install the version which we just built for the hacking purpose. So make sure you guys do what I just said. Click on uninstall and install, and then once you do that, I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Okay, so I'm at the game which we just hacked, and as you guys can see, this is my money in the game, which is 106 million now. So that's the money in the game. So I'm going to show you guys proof that this actually works. So I'm going to click on the money and boost your club's finances. I'm going to click on that place and just click on 50 million, whatever. And as you guys can see, it works. My money just moved from 106 million to 156 million. So that's the first proof that it works. So now I'm going to show you guys the second one, which is how to use it. How to use it is very simple. So what you have to do now is click on your money place in your game, the place to get money and stuff, gold or anything. So I'm going to click on this place, which is stadium. And as you guys can see, this is my current stadium. I know you might not understand the game, but this is my current stadium. And I'm going to click on super stadium, as you can see here. And super stadium, this is how my stadium is going to look, but it can just come for free. I have to pay. So it said buy with 250 million in-game money, or buy with 0.12 whatever currency. That's just what it's telling me to do. But I'm going to click on the money option, which is the second one, 0.12. So as you guys can see, I click on that one. It's going to give me this option. As you can see, all you have to do is just click on yes. While if you want to auto repeat the settings, you click on auto repeat. But I'm clicking on yes. So once I click on the yes, you guys can see new super stadium unveiled. So as you can see, this is the new stadium I have. So I'm going to go to stadium. As you can see, this is my new stadium, and you guys can see it actually works. But that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Show some appreciation. I mean, it's not going to take less than a second to just subscribe, turn on the bell, and just drop a like on this video if you find it helpful. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, drop a like. I'm saying that too much right now. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.